Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is another review of a product, and this product is this one. It is ultra moisturizing hand mask, because as you all know that a lot of us have dry hands, especially in this winter time. Yeah, look at my hands now, it's so dry. I don't know why. Even though I put lotion, it still looks dry. So I bought this product to try. It is from SkinLite, and it is ultra moisturizing hand mask. It is newly designed glove type mask, long lasting moisturization, oatmeal and shea butter. And it is an intense moisture treatment that restores suppleness to dry, rough, overworked hands. Penetrates quickly and deeply to protect, nourish, and moisturizes the skin. Let's try it, guys. If it's really real that we will have a dramatically change in our dry hands. Let's do this, guys. Let's open it. It smells like shinsensu. I don't know if you're familiar with shinsensu. And this is how it looks. Guys. Looks like it really looks like a glove. And I open it, and I think I'll just put my hands inside this gloves. I'm not sure. I don't know how to open it, guys. I'll use some force. It's so hard to open. I don't have so much force. Okay, here. How about you guys? Have you tried using this kind of hand mask? So I guess I will just have to massage it, guys, so it can absorb more in my hands. So I guess I'll have to wait for 20-30 minutes. I'll be right back. After about 15 minutes, can you see my skin is shown now? I think it means that the mask is absorbing. It's like sweating now. So I'll just have to massage it and massage it. So guys, while this product is in my hand, I feel so warm, like really warm. I don't know why it's like sweating so much. It's like my hands have heat lotion, even though it doesn't have them like this. So I'll take it off now. I'll start here first. Okay. Wow! Look, it's glimmering, and it smells good. Next. So it's done now, guys. So my hand smells good. And as you can see, it's so moisturized. I will just have to massage this excess product. Okay. Wow. Guys, my hands really feel supple. You can see it. You see it in the camera. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but as you can see, guys, it's so supple. Right now, like really so supple, like so soft. Like this is not my hands. This mask is good. The only thing I find strange is that I think it's normal when my hands are inside the gloves, it's like sweating and warm. It's like having a heat lotion in my hands, but when I take it off, it's gone. And what remains is this one, the suppleness, and so soft. So soft. And it says I don't need to wash it. Product, guys, is so effective. It really moisturizes, nourish and moisturize your skin. It's like I've been to a spa, even though I did not. Yeah, and it smells good. It smells very good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time soon in my next vlog. See you. Yum yum yum.